how to buy time accumulation token. Sorry. So this token came under the symbol of T. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money using crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the explainer. It created 1 day ago and increased by 142,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's meaning investment in this safe place. This token trending number 4 in this one transaction. To be able to buy this token, it is simple. Click it to copy the token address and open your fund to mine. For that, as you can see, click here on swaps to make sure that you have enough sold on in white. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. As you can see, after that, select provider, for example Jupiter. There is only one, and make sure to read all that information here. Click on swap and you will be able to read back to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy T token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.